Today, I will be teaching you how to automate my task using Opendashboard, so that when a task is assigned, a notification is gotten, and when a task is completed, the task creator gets a mail. First, before we dive in, what is Opendashboard? Opendashboard is an all-in-one platform. Now, think about database for data storage, dashboard for instant overview, forms for data collection, document for collaboration and sharing, and bots for proper tracking, all in one workspace. So firstly, the first thing to do is sign up on Opendashboard to create your first workspace. As you can see, I'm automatically signed in because I have a Opendashboard account. To automate, you need a solid database, and here are the key steps to create a task management database. First, click on this plus button at the share database to create your database. You can create your database from scratch or install from Opendashboard Marketplace, but today we will start from scratch. Then name your database, which is what task management. Press on continue. Now we've created our database. And step 3, input your key into the database. You can either fill it manually or import by CSV file. But today we'll be inputting our data manually. So let's add color. So now let's put in our rows. Now we won't be assigning the task to anyone yet, so we can see the beauty of it. Now let's put our dates, the due date. Let's set this as completed. I will tell us the reason why we need to set this as completed, because we'll be needing this in the workflow. Now let's automate our tasks. Click on the workflow at the left side of your workspace. As you can see, click on workflow, then create new workflow. So let's name our workflow. Let's name it task completed and assign. Now let's set the trigger using on record database. Since we created the database on Opendashboard on record, then we choose our database, which is tax management, that we just created now. Then we set up a branching. Since we want to send a notification when a tax is assigned, and also send a email when the tax is completed. So our first branching will be tax completed. We'll name it tax completed. And what's the thing we want to do when the tax is being completed? Is to what? Send a email. So we come down to Opendashboard, look for send email, then we click on it. Then let's fill it. And this tax recipient, which is the person who created so this will be tax recipient email. It will be by email, which is their email address. Now, let's put into the scenario whereby someone else from the team updated the tax. Then you want to CC this person so as to get an email about the tax that has been completed as well. Then updated by email. Then let's add the body of our mail. Now we want to let this person knows about the actual tax. Then let's come to this tax then look for tax record value, tax name. So they get a email for the assigned tax. Now let's come back to the beauty of it. To this beauty, we've not set the condition of our task completed, and the condition is when the status is equal to what completed, then we come here, put the condition. Then we equal it as completed. Now here is where the completed imputed the other time comes in. Then click on branches to add the next branch. And our next branch is for what? Our next branch is for tax reminder. Then we name it assigned not empty. Then what do we want to do when the assigned is not empty? We want to send a what? A reminder, which is a what? A notification. Then we come down to open dashboard, look for send a reminder, create a reminder. Then let's fill in the details. And that would be the tax name, I want them to know the tax. Then we input the description, what we want them to do. And we want to send it immediately. Then let's assign to people. Then let's associate it with record. And which database are we associating it with? Our tax management database that we created. And what is the tax record ID? As you can see, it's beautiful, right? Now, we've not set this condition. And what is going to be the condition of this? And that will be, since our tax record is actually not empty, then it has to be what? Tax assigned to is not empty. Is not empty. Then let's publish this workflow. And let's go back to our database to see the beauty that we just created. Now, as you can see, here is the database. Now let's assign this to Marvelous. These two to Marvelous. And let's mark these two as completed. Now let's go back to our workflow. And what was the name of our workflow? Tax management assigned. Let's view it and see the instances. Let's see if what we did actually worked. As you can see, it worked. As you can see, it works. And let's check our notification. As you can see, it worked. Now, you can build this for your system either by following this tutorial or by building it on your own. Or you can install it directly into your workspace by getting this template from Opendashboard Marketplace. Check the link in the description. And remember to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.